Hello, I'm Dorothy Atkins, and I have been Susannah's mentee for a number of years now. When I came to Susannah, I didn't have a single property. By the time I finished my first year of mentoring, I finished with 3 properties. Especially one especially was a very precious one, because I bought it on the auction and I didn't realize where I potentially could have gone wrong, and potentially that auction property could have caused me a lot of hassle and a lot of financial, it could have been a financial disaster. So if it wasn't for Susannah advising me what to do during the buying process, then things could have looked completely differently. It's a great opportunity to see fantastic like-minded people. I've met loads of investors who were starting just like me, with no properties, and now they are very successful property investors. We keep in touch, we constantly exchange ideas, and I just love coming here once a month to see what's going on and how everybody's progressing. It's such a one big friendly family. Highly recommend it. Thank you.